Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to adjust your saturation in the Adobe Photoshop mobile app. But first I wanna say one thing. Please subscribe, comment and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into it. Here I am at the main page. Let's select the blue icon called Photo Editor. Let's click on that. Here you have to select a photo which you would like to edit. I'm gonna select this random one with the tattoo. Here at the bottom there are different buttons. They're all different. Let's just click on adjustments, color. Here you have to scroll for the right a little bit and you have saturation. Here we have this thing which you can adjust. You can really play with it. It's really free, so do as you would like. Okay guys, that's how you adjust your saturation. Thanks for listening. See you in the next one.